2. Hello everyone, today I have bring a complete guide of Stoicism. Exercises for beginners. Your 5-step daily training plan. Stoicism isn't just a set of ideas to think about. The ancient Stoics called it a practice for a reason. It is a set of mental exercises, like going to the gym for your mind. You build resilience, clarity, and peace through daily training. Forget about trying to memorize complex philosophy right now. The goal is to build habits. Here are 5 simple, powerful exercises that any beginner can start today. You don't need any special tools, just a few minutes and a willingness to try. Exercise 1. The morning preview, Premeditatio Malorum. The goal: to vaccinate your mind against the stress of the day. How to practice 5 minutes each morning. When you wake up, before you check your phone, sit quietly for a moment. In your mind, walk through your upcoming day. Not with worry, but with calm preparation. As you imagine your day, ask yourself, what could go wrong? What small annoyances or challenges might I face? Is there a stressful meeting? Imagine it getting heated. Is traffic always bad? Picture yourself stuck in a jam. Might your plans get cancelled? See it happening, why it works. This exercise is not about being negative. It's about rehearsing reality. By visualizing potential difficulties before they happen, you remove their power to surprise and upset you. When the traffic jam actually happens, your mind says, there it is. I knew this was a possibility. Now, I will stay calm and listen to a podcast. Instead of frustration, you respond with calm readiness. Exercise 2. The evening review, examination of conscience. The goal: to turn every day into a lesson. At the end of your day, find a quiet moment. You can even do this in bed before you sleep. Where did I fall short? Be honest, but don't beat yourself up. What will I do differently tomorrow? Based on today, what's one small thing I can improve? The goal: to stop wasting energy on things you can't change and focus it on what you can. How to practice in the moment, all day. Your control. Listening to see if the feedback is useful. Choosing not to react defensively. Deciding how to improve the work, your attitude for the rest of the day. Your only job becomes managing your inner world, your judgments and actions. This creates immense peace and effectiveness. How to practice small, deliberate choices. Walk a different, longer route home. Turn off the air conditioning in the car for a short trip. Carry your groceries instead of using a cart for a small load. Scree why it works. This exercise teaches you 2 things. First, you are stronger than you think. You realize you can handle discomfort without falling apart. Second, it creates deep gratitude. When you choose to go without your heater, you return to its warmth with true appreciation. It kills entitlement and builds resilience. Exercise 5. The view from above, the goal: to gain perspective and reduce anxiety. How to practice. 3 minutes when feeling overwhelmed. When a problem feels huge, close your eyes. Zoom out in your imagination. First, see yourself in the room. Then, see your building from above. Why it works. Our worries feel massive because we see them up close. This doesn't make your life meaningless. It makes your anxiety about small things seem unnecessary. It brings a calming sense of perspective. Week 1. Focus only on exercise 1, morning preview, and exercise 3, the control filter. Do the preview every morning. Practice using the control filter 3 times a day. Week 2. Keep doing 1 and 3. Add exercise to evening review every night. V3. Keep doing 1, 2, and 3. Add exercise 5, view from above once a day when you feel stressed. Week 4. Keep doing 1, 2, 3, and 5. Try one small act of voluntary discomfort exercise for every other day. You must remember that the goal is progress, not perfection. Some days you'll forget. Some days you'll fail. That's fine. The very act of noticing you forgot and trying again is the practice. You are not trying to become an unfeeling rock. You are training to become a clear-minded, resilient, and grateful person. Start with 1 exercise today. That single step is how every Stoic began.